Welcome back at isa na namang panibagong araw ng pag-aaral natin ng mathematics. At today, we will be discussing about polynomial equations. Last time, we talked about polynomials or polynomial expressions, but now we will be dealing with polynomial equations. When we say polynomial equation, it is a special kind of algebraic equation where each term is a constant, a variable, or a product of constants and variables raised to whole number exponents. Tandaan, kailangan yung exponents ay whole number. Okay? So, we have here some examples of polynomial equations and examples of not polynomial equations. So, we have here 4x squared equals 0. So, polynomial equation siya because the exponent for the variable x is positive 2. Whole number siya at positive yung exponent natin. Okay? Then we have here another one. 5 raised to 2 over 3 over 4 x to the 47 power. So, kung titingnan nyo, meron tayong fractional exponent. Pero, polynomial equation pa din to kasi itong fractional exponent natin or itong rational exponent, okay, that is in the numerator of our numerical coefficient. So, nasa numerator siya na itong numerical coefficient natin. Wala naman siya dun sa variable. So, still, this is a polynomial equation. Okay, then another one, we have the square root of 3x equals 2. Okay, so, polynomial equation pa din to kasi ang may radical sign lang ay yung 3. Yung numerical coefficient natin. Yung x ay nasa labas ng radical sign, so hindi siya kabilang doon sa ine-extract ang root. So, still this is a polynomial equation. Paano naman itong iba? So, we have here examples of not polynomial equations. So, ito, 6x raised to negative 2. Dahil negative yung exponent ng variable natin, okay, so that is not a polynomial equation. Okay, we have 6x raised to negative 2 equals to negative 1. So, hindi ito polynomial equation kasi negative yung exponent ng x. Then, we have 1 over x raised to 2. Okay, equals to 3. So, hindi din to polynomial equation kasi nasa denominator naman, nakapwesto sa denominator yung variable natin na x. Okay? Then, another one, we have the square root of x equals 0. So, hindi din to polynomial equation kasi ine-extract yung root ng variable x. So, hindi siya polynomial equation. Okay? Then, let us now try to dissect a polynomial equation. So, example, we have negative 5 plus 7x cubed minus 4x equals to 2x squared. So, para may dissect natin to or malaman natin yung iba't ibang parts or components na itong polynomial equation na to, we should write this one in its standard form. So, by arranging this and applying APE, our standard form will be 7x cubed. Ito yung mauuna kasi siya yung may pinakamataas na degree or power or exponent. Okay, minus 2x squared. So, nasa kabilang side siya ng equation natin. So, apply APE. So, additive inverse ng 2x squared, that is negative 2x squared. Okay? So, minus 2x squared. Then, minus 4x minus 5. Okay? Equals 0. So, that is our standard form. Tandaan, kailangan naka-arrange from highest to lowest exponent yung variables natin. And, syempre, nasa dulo yung constant natin. Okay? Para maging standard form siya. Then, let's determine the degree of the equation. Since the highest exponent is 3, okay, so the degree of the equation is 3. Okay? Then, leading coefficient natin, yung nauuna na numerical coefficient, that is 7. Okay, so 7 yung leading coefficient natin. And then, our constant term, so yung term na walang variable na nakalagay, so that is negative 5. Okay, then, for the number of roots, okay, there are roots for a polynomial equation. So, para malaman kung ilang roots yung polynomial equation meron, or kung ilang roots meron ang polynomial equation, so, nakabase din yun sa degree. Kung ilan yung degree, ganun kadami yung roots. Pero, To determine the roots, you need to factor or to get the factor, or you need to determine the different factors and solve for the values of the variable from the given polynomial equation. Okay? So, possible solutions lang naman doon. We can apply synthetic division. And then, after applying synthetic division, we can apply some solutions for the quadratic equation kapag nakakuha ka na ng quadratic equation. Like, extracting the root, or factoring the quadratic equation, or completing the square or the quadratic formula. Okay, hanggang sa malaman mo lahat ng possible roots nung given na polynomial equation natin. Okay? So, that's all for now. Those are the characteristics and the different components of a polynomial equation. Kung meron kayong tanong at clarifications para sa lesson na to, you can simply write down your comments below para mabigyan natin ng focus or ma-emphasize pa natin sa susunod nating discussion. Okay? Thank you very much for watching our video. I hope that you are all well and healthy. Keep safe, everyone.